Have you ever tried managing two Instagram accounts and suddenly one or both of them get banned? Or you receive a warning saying you're not allowed to operate multiple accounts? Here's the catch. Social platforms actually know much more about your browser than most people realize. That's where BitBrowser comes in. It's a powerful anti-detect browser designed to help you run multiple accounts safely without getting flagged, shadow banned, or completely banned. Websites track users through something called a browser fingerprint. This includes your IP address, device information, time zone, installed fonts, and even details about your graphics card. Even using incognito mode doesn't really protect you because all of that information can still be identified. BitBrowser solves this by creating completely isolated browser profiles. Each profile appears as if it belongs to a totally different person using a different computer in another location. There's no shared cookies, no shared browsing history, and every profile can have its own proxy and unique fingerprint. This keeps every account fully separated from the others. So, who is BitBrowser useful for? It's great for social media managers handling multiple clients, e-commerce sellers running several stores, affiliate marketers, ad buyers, crypto traders, or basically anyone who needs to manage multiple accounts without risking bans. There's also an extra feature inside BitBrowser. As you can see, it supports phone profiles as well. It even includes a built-in Android emulator called CloudPhone. That means you can run mobile-only apps like TikTok or Instagram directly from your desktop computer. Getting started is very simple. First, download the application for Windows, Mac, or Linux. After installing it, just create your browser profiles. You can add proxies if you want, as shown here. Then click Confirm, and everything is ready to go. There's no coding required and no complicated setup process. As for pricing, BitBrowser offers a free plan. With the free ver,